Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we will be learning about list functions. So list functions are like so for example, you want to change something but you do not want to remove something. So for example, let's go with Joe only. So let's get started. So the first thing here is Joe. So print friends dot pop Joe. So you could do it either like that. By the way, there is an error because it only accepts square brackets and integers. So let me just run it 1 second. Took me a while to actually get that, but I did actually get to pop it. So let's say I want to clear this whole thing. So let's say friends dot clear friends dot clear. So this would print out none because I just cleared out everything. So and let's say I deleted this whole thing without actually touching it. So DAL friends. So it will make an error and it will not it will not let it pass through. One second. Okay, there we go. So I got the error friends is not defined because I actually used the DEL to actually delete it. So if I remove that, then it will print it out just fine. And I could also do this. For example, friends dot remove Toby, then print friends. So it's going to come out as Magyar, Andrew, Garfield, Tom, Joe. But if I take something that does not exist, for example GDCFGFF, it will make an error because that does not exist in the list. There is also something called LEN friends here. So LEN friends will count how many variables there are in this, and it will print out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's six variables, and it prints out 6. So that is LEN when you're printing out how many variables there are in or strings in a one variable. You could also check the type of friends here. The type of friends, and it will probably and the type of it is a list. I mean if we like do this, then it's a tuple. It's just a tuple, but we're mainly focusing on lists right now. So let's change that back. Also, remember when I told you about booleans? You could actually add that as a list. For example, bool list equal true, false, true, false, false. You could actually do that and then just print it out. And also you could mix up all of those together. For example, random equal cherry 12 13 true false. By the way, commas are important so that you don't make an error in your code. Banana 18. Then just import random, and then I will import them all. Oh, cherry 13, true, false, banana 18. So there's also something called random.extend bool bool list. So this will add random, like, okay, wait, sorry, random dot extend bool list, and then just print out random. Cherry 13 true false, banana 18 true false, false. So this extends a list with a list, but also you could also append something to a variable, well, a list. Random the append, for example, mouse. This will add mouse to the very last. And you could also replace. You could also random dot replace mouse computer mouse, and let's run it. It will not and as you can see, there is no replace, so please do not do replace here. If you want to replace something, then it's a whole different thing. So random 0 equal apple. That's how you replace something. Then apple instead of cherry 13 true false banana 18. So there's also this thing, well, 1 3. Actually, you know what? 0 2 0 2 equal. You could also So the last thing is sort and insert. So for example, let's see, lottery winning number, lottery dot sort. Lottery winning number. So this will sort this list alphabetically from from the smallest to biggest, aka in ascending order, and insert ABC. This will insert ABC to the, so you have probably noticed that this is an error, right? And that's because you can't just insert it like this. So for example, 2 ABC, and now this will not make an error, and instead it will actually print ABC at number 2. So that is it for lists. Oh, and last thing, you could also do lottery winning number 0 equal apple. So this will change this to apple. But what if I wanted to add to change multiple things? Then I will use another list. Oops, that's a set. So apple, banana, apple, and banana. So this is a step. Apple, banana, field. And then so you've probably so there's an error here. Attempt to assign sequence of, and because this does not support steps, so let's say here, now I want to add this, and now it's apple, banana, and that's pretty much it for sets. So I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.